welcome back to the next topic of our module 1, where in this video we'll be discussing about prompt engineering basics and prerequisites, and in that we'll be discussing about some important terminologies which can be, inputs, outputs and parameters that we require in prompt engineering, and also we'll be seeing some modifiers as well for better output of our prompt. Alright, so first of all we're going to discuss what are basically inputs. So inputs are basically the starting point of any prompt engineering journey. These are basically, you can say, tasks, questions and information that you can provide to ChatGPT or AI, and it will help you make that or build that output for you. So for input, let's just take an example. You're asking any questions to AI and demanding some answers from that. So that actually explains what inputs is. Let's just say you ask AI or ChatGPT to translate some sentence from English to Spanish, right? So the sentence you want to put it in English, that will be your input. So the AI will give you a Spanish version of that sentence that you want that to translate it into. So that Spanish version will be your output. So these are basically what inputs and outputs are. So there's one more thing that you need to keep that in mind, that obviously the level and the degree of the output will depend on how accurate and or how good you put input. So obviously the better the input, the better will be the output. So you can say in short, like input is directly proportional to the output. Okay, moving forward, let's just discuss parameters now. So parameters are basically, some kind of settings, or you can say kind of tweaks that you can perform on prompts to make your prompts, more and more better and more accurate, so that AI or ChatGPT can very easily understand that and give you the desired output that you want. And in other words, parameters can also be some kind of a limitation, or you can say some kind of modification that you can give in prompts to just, make your output more and more better. So yeah, let's just get an example. You want AI to generate an essay for you, and you will give it as a parameter that, you want that essay in up to a word limit of 300 words, right? So that can be your parameter that you can provide to AI in order to get the accurate desired output that you want. Okay, yeah, so let's just now move forward and discuss what are the modifiers that we can use to make our output better, which are, you can use adjectives like red, happy, large, exciting, and you can use adverbs like quickly, well, loudly. You can use intensifiers, negatives, number of words, like you can use small words, or you can generate small actions just to make your output more and more accurate. And after that, you can also word time words like now, yet, soon. You can use place words and degree words as well. So yeah, these are a few of the modifier words you can say that can help you make your output go well and well. So yeah, until then.